Magandang araw mga katuto. So welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Kuya Mike nga pala ulit ngayon. So daming nagtatanong kung sino nga ba si Sonny Angara, ang pumalit na DepEd Secretary um, kay Sara Duterte, ang ating nag-resign na DepEd Secretary. So, sino nga ba itong si Angara na pumalit sa kanya? So, marami nagtatanong. Pag-uusapan natin yan in this video. At kung gusto mo nga pala ng ganitong mga klase ng content, please like this video, mag-subscribe ka na para sa mga updates tungkol sa education dahil ang channel natin ay nagdi-deliver ng mga educational content and iba pang mga bagay na makakatulong sa mga estudyante at sa mga teachers. At ganoon din yung mga news na nangyayari sa Department of Education. So first, sasagutin natin sino nga ba si Angara. So Juan Edgardo Sonny Manalang Angara, yun yung pinakang buong pangalan niya. He was born on July 15, 1972. Filipino politician and lawyer serving as a senator since 2013. He is also the chairman of Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, the governing body of basketball in the Philippines. President Bongbong Marcos has appointed Angara as the Secretary of Education, replacing Vice President Sara Duterte, who resigned as Secretary on June 19, 2024. Angara will take office on July 19. So ilang araw na lang, 2 linggo, mag-take office na or mag-o-oath itong si Angara. So for his educational backgrounds, okay, sa mga nagtatanong, karapat-dapat ba si Angara as secretary? Ito yung mga ilan sa educational background niya. So Angara was born on July 15, 1972 in Manila to lawyer and former Senate President Edgardo Angara and Gloria Manalang Angara, a teacher who would become chairperson of the Cultural Center of the Philippines. He took up his basic education at Xavier School in San Juan, Metro Manila. So doon siya umattend ng kanyang primary education. Then attended Douai School in the UK, so ibang bansa. And finished his Bachelor of Science degree in International Relations with honors from the London School of Economics. So siya pala ay nag-aral sa foreign schools, okay, and the foreign countries as well. So he finished his law degree at the University of the Philippines College of Law and earned his Master of Laws degree from Harvard Law School in Cambridge, Massachusetts. So talagang lawyer yung linya nitong si Mr. Angara. What are some of his accomplishments? Well, si Angara nga pala ay naging politician since 2004. Pinalitan niya yung kanyang tiyahin. At ngayon, as 3-term congressman, he authored several measures signed into law by President of the Philippines. Napakadami niyang ipinasang mga batas. Okay, at babasahin ko to isa-isa hanggat makakaya ko dahil napakarami bilang isang congressman pa lamang yon. Sa 3 terms niya, meron siyang Anti-Bullying Act of 2013, the Insurance Code, National Health Insurance Act of 2013, Philippine Design Competitiveness Act of 2013, Philippine National Health Research System Act of 2013, Magna Carta of Women, Pre-Needed Code of the Philippines, Aurora Special Economic Zone Act of 2007, Tax Exemption for Minimum Wage Earners Law, Real Estate Investment Trust or REIT Act of 2009, Civil Aviation Authority Act of 2008, Personal Equity and Retirement Account or PERA Act of 2008, Tourism Act of 2009, University of the Philippines Charter of 2008, an act providing for the legitimation of children born to parents below marrying age, amending for the purpose the Family Code of the Philippines. Okay, as amended National Cultural Heritage Act of 2009, expanded Senior Citizens Act of 2010, Financial Rehabilitation and Insolvency Act or FRIA of 2010, Kindergarten Education Act or Republic Act 10157, Credit Information System Act, Health Workers Day Act, Domestic Workers Act, So yun yung mga naipasa niyang mga batas since siya ay congressman pa lamang sa kanyang 3 terms. Okay? Ito naman yung mga batas na naipasa niya as senator. So babasahin ko ito as much as I can. In the present 19th Congress, from 2022 to 2024, Senator Angara has authored and co-authored and sponsored into law the following measures. So meron tayong Republic Act 11981, Tatak Pinoy Act, Republic Act 11975, 2024, or General Appropriations Act, Republic Act 1196, Public Act, Public-Private Partnership Code, Republic Act 11965, Caregivers Welfare Act, Republic Act 11963, Act renaming Agham and BIR roads into Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago Avenue, Republic Act 11962, Trabaho para sa Bayan Act, Republic Act 11959, Regional Specialty Centers Act, Republic Act 11958, Act rationalizing the disability pension of veterans, Republic Act 11957, Act recognizing Baler, Aurora as the birthplace of Philippine Surfing Republic Act 11955, Act granting Philippine citizenship to Kyle Douglas Jennerman, and Republic Act 11953, condonation of agrarian reform debt, Republic Act 11937, granting Philippine citizenship to Justin Brownlee, Republic Act 11936 of 2023, General Appropriations Act, Republic Act 11525 or COVID-19 Vaccination Program Act, Republic Act 11640 extending the availability of the 2021 General Appropriations Act, Republic Act 11639 of 2022 of General Appropriations Act, Republic Act 11520 extending the availability of the 2020 General Appropriations Act, Republic Act 11519 extending the availability of appropriations under RA 11494 or the Bayanihan 2 Republic Act 11518, 2021 General Appropriations Act, Republic Act 11494 Bayanihan to Recover as One Act or Bayanihan 2 Republic Act 11465 of 2020, General Appropriations Act Republic Act 11464 extending the validity of the 2019 General Appropriations Act. So yun yung mga Republic Act na naipasa ni Angara during his tenure as a senator sa bansa natin. So napakaraming act noon, Republic Act noon na nakatulong din sa atin during the COVID-19 pandemic and until now. And also related sa mga General Appropriations Act. Okay, for his reward naman, kung may mga nagtatanong dyan, ano ba yung mga rewards na natanggap nitong si Angara? Okay? Says here, he was one of the 10 outstanding young men of the Philippines awardees for 2010. He received his trophy from President Benigno Aquino III in a ceremony held at the Rizal Hall of the Malacanang. He was also a recipient of the Tanglaw ng Bayan 2011 Award, the highest award given by the Polytechnic University of the Philippines or PUP in Manila to individuals with exemplary achievements in their respective fields. He was conferred honorary doctorate in law by the Ramon Magsaysay Technological University in Iba, Zambales in November 2011. He was one of the 9 recipients of the Outstanding Manilan Award in 2017. Now, he is appointed as our DepEd Secretary. So, yun yung mga ilang accomplishments, yun yung mga ilang batas na naipasa ni Sonny Angara. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung siya ba ay qualified, sa tingin ko with his experiences into law or as a senator or congressman, as a politician, somehow related naman yung trabaho ng kanyang ina na teacher sa pagiging DepEd Secretary. And of course, with these experiences, marami na na-encounter na problems at marami na rin na-solve na problems itong si Sonny Angara. So hopefully, in our department, in the Department of Education, kasi tayo, mga teachers tayo, I hope that Sonny or Mr. Sonny Angara, our newly appointed DepEd Secretary by President Bongbong Marcos, will do great in the department. Parang yung ginawa ni Vice President Sara Duterte na hati ang mga opinion ng mga teachers sa kanyang ginawa. Maraming nagsasabi na magaganda yung ginawa niya sa mga teachers, especially nitong June na undisturbed vacation of the teachers, na kung saan I think this is the first time na nangyari yon na meron tayong undisturbed vacation para sa mga kaguruan, para sa mga teachers, and na-enjoy ng mga teachers yung ganong palisiya, at pwede naman pala yung mga ganong bagay. So hopefully may mga ideas na fresh itong si Senator Sonny Angara para sa departamento, at ma-address niya yung mga needs, yung mga urgent needs ng department. So, yun lang muna sa ngayon. So, hopefully nakatulong yung video na ito sa mga nagtatanong kung sino nga ba itong si Sonny Angara as our newly appointed DepEd Secretary. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga updates tungkol sa kanya, sa kanyang paggugobyerno sa departamento. So, if you like to have updates tungkol kay Sonny Angara and other departments related affairs, ganoon din sa mga teachers and students affairs sa Philippines, mag-subscribe ka na at paki-like na rin yung video na to kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to. So once again, mga katuto, this is your Kuya Mike. Peace out.